Hello guys, today we have a guest, that is Mr. Jonathan. Now onwards he will handle this video. Hello guys, today we are gonna make a smart dustbin. So first let's connect the components to the Arduino board.
Bruh.
So guys, I connected servo motor and ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino board. If you don't know how to do these things, go and watch my last videos. Okay guys, now let's write the program. Okay guys, let's find out is this working actually. Okay. Okay guys, now you can see it's less than 50 centimeters and this motor rotates to 90 degrees. So it means it's working. So guys, Jitsi will end this video. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment and subscribe.
Okay.